Hello everyone, I am Ikra Freelancing Wali, Head of Interview Department at Rehan School and also a co-facilitator at Rehan School Online Academy. So today my topic is very important. That first of all, today my topic is related to that I wanted to start a course of a English language. Like I wanted to see my careers in next 6 years in English. Like I decided it in 2026 that I would be learn English, teach English, make videos in English. So if I teach English on social media, so the people will be get benefit and learn courses from me. And if I started to learn English language, so I can I will be teach to the students, then my YouTube channel and my Snapchat and my TikTok will be getting monetized of this. So this is the thing which I decided. But today I will be talk to Maya for next 15 minutes that if my idea is not good, or if what do you think about my idea, rate it out, and if my idea is not good, so call it, throw it in trash. So let's connect with Maya. Hello Maya, how are you? I'm good. What about you? My career which I want to start in English, because you know what, I'm so much fond of speaking English. My accent is not pretty much good, but I wanted to start my career as an English because I have done my basic course from the English Academy and the advanced course from the Domino. So what do you think about, should I have to start my career as an English tutor or not? And on social media, I want to post all the things related to English and to start selling courses on Perplay or everywhere on the platforms in English. So what do you think about, is it idea solid to make me stable at 10 rupees per month? Or if my idea is not good, so call and throw it in trash and tell me very better and good idea in this era. Turn. And you know what, but sometimes I feel that, you know what, there are too many English teachers around the world and in Pakistan. But you know what, should I have to start my career as an English, or should I have to start like this? Then I should have to start the teach and sell course like AI. But I don't know the main niche in AI, because you know what, I am doing graphic designing, I am doing video editing, I am doing coding, I know how to create with videos with video. And you know what, I know too much things. But you know, when I start to think that should I have to sell these skills, so there are too much platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, like per hour, and freelancer.com. So you know what, I feel very stuck. And you know, if we are as in a content creator, or if we should have to sell something, so we should have to know the one perfect skills which is for us. So I have too much skills, too much knowledge, too much platform. So that's why I am getting so much confused that if I started my career as in a freelancer, so what is the main niche should I have to start my career in? Or what kind of videos should I have to post on my YouTube to monetize it, to my TikTok to monetize it, to my Snapchat to monetize it? So it's totally like very disappointing and very disturbing for me. So do you have any kind of clarity or any kind of thing for me and to get me in trouble of these things? Many platforms around the world. But the most important platforms in Pakistan, which works very most, but they have very tough competition. But you know what? Everyone is a competitor, and I am. I can do it. I love myself. I can do everything which thing is in front of me. I never mind it. I can take it very persuasively. So like I should have to start the career to selling the things, and to as an a VA it's would be like in a Facebook, because I hunt my first client for Facebook, and I know Facebook is very easy to start the career. But you know what, when to hunt foreign clients and to get the work with foreigners, so it is very easy to hunt the clients on Upwork, on freelancer.com, and on behance.com. Like there are too many, so I'm getting very stuck that where should I have to start. And you know what, I'm thinking a lot, and for thinking my fifth day, today is 5th January, and it is also wasted. So I need to start it, but and I don't need motivation, I have, but I don't know why my mind is struggling too much, thinking too much and not taking actions. So for Upwork, I don't know too much about the Upwork, but I should have to start from it. So what do you think about it? Yeah, so what should I have to do? Should I have to start a career as an English tutor mentor, or should I have to sell the skills which I have like as an a VA? Okay, that's great. That's it. So, like you are saying to me that I have should start my career, which is related to like one-on-one coaching session in English. You know what? English is not the biggest problem in the world. Lots of people know that how to speak English. Lots of people know that what is grammar, punctuations, corrections, and everything. But you know what? The main problem is to communicate. that when we are in front of thousands of people, the people don't know that how to communicate, how to facing camera, how to speak a pro in jobs, in interviews, how to hunt foreign clients. And you know what, it is very global opportunity to learn English, to teach English, to gain knowledge in English, and to be confident in camera, and to be confident in front of thousands of people, that how should you have to speak like in a pro, like in a elite class in front of a people. So, like, yeah, it is very important to starting career as an English expert. But with English, what is the most important skill in this era we should have to learn? Yeah, you know what? It makes sense. But for me, it is pro in English. And as far as I think about the language, so you know what? Language is not the biggest problem in the world. Everyone can speak English, everyone can say something in English, but the main problem and the main etiquette is like this: to be on social media is to be communicate in the front of thousands of people around the world who wants to listen to you, who wants to connect with you. And you know what? There is one very famous girl. She's been on Tamasha for 2 months, and her name is Malaika. She's very talented, very genius, but she even a very good linguistic styles in English. And she are like she posted her videos in English, and she gets too much followers, clients, huntings, and they are in Tamasha show. So yeah, it's a great and huge achievement for her. So why do I not to start like my course and my career as a teacher, as in on a social media? Because you know what, in a nowadays the all era is about the social media, and I'm a very socialistic person. Like I want it to be, and to be in a good sense of forms on a social media. So this is what I decided for my 2026, 7, 8, 9, and 10, like 2030, to be on social media as an English mentor, to guide them, to teach them, and to teach them, and to touch the English with AI. So how do you think, and is if my idea is good, so give them marks on 10 according to your perception. So, like, I wanted to start the career as an English to empower people, to connect people, and to motivate people that English is very good. You can communicate in English, and then I wanted to tell them that you can earn from English as well. So, yeah, it's this career is good. I'm starting it from today. I will be do and create a one post. So thank you so much, Sesame, for this wonderful, wonderful talking to me. And it's an honor for me that you are always with me, that you are always talking to me like this. And it feels very good and motivation to me. Take care of yourself. Goodbye from my side.